Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly exciting, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome. Toyota has always been famous for reliability and innovation, and now they are stepping into the motorhome world with a futuristic design that combines luxury, technology, and comfort. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a home on wheels. A motorhome that feels like a luxury apartment, yet runs like a powerful modern machine. In this review, we'll cover everything: the exterior design, the interior with kitchen, bathroom and bedrooms, the roof features, engine performance, tires and suspension, the tech and safety systems, and of course, the most important, price and variance. If you love road trips, camping, or just luxury travel, this is the motorhome you'll want to know about. And hey, if you enjoy videos like this, make sure to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future luxury reviews. Here's what we'll cover: exterior design, interior, roof and outdoor features, engine and performance, tires and suspension, technology and safety, and finally, price and variance. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome looks futuristic yet very practical. With its luxury gray metallic finish, this motorhome shines under showroom lights like a true premium machine. At the front, you get sleek LED headlights connected with a continuous light bar that runs across the fascia. Right at the center sits the shiny Toyota emblem. On the side, there are large panoramic windows that bring light inside and give it a spacious feel. The body lines are aerodynamic, and the electronic sliding doors give it a modern, premium RV look. At the rear, there's a wide LED tail light strip that glows beautifully at night, giving the whole vehicle a futuristic presence. If you're impressed with the design so far, drop a like on this video. It helps us a lot and motivates us to bring you more luxury reviews like this. Step inside, and you'll feel like you've entered a luxury apartment. The interior comes in a blend of cream and gray tones that make it look premium and modern. The living area is equipped with leather recliner seats, all electrically adjustable for comfort. In the middle, there's a convertible dining table that can be folded away when not in use. The ceiling features ambient LED strip lighting, customizable depending on your mood. For entertainment, there's a 50-inch smart TV mounted on the wall, perfect for both streaming shows and using it for navigation when needed. Whether it's a family road trip or a solo journey, this lounge feels like a 5-star hotel inside your motorhome. Now, let's head to the kitchen and bathroom. The kitchen is compact but fully functional. It comes with an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, a microwave, and even a dishwasher drawer. The cabinets are finished in matte wood for a sleek, premium look. The bathroom feels like something straight out of a spa. It includes a rainfall shower system, an eco-smart toilet, and a modern sink with a backlit mirror. The bathroom interior uses gray and white marble tones, giving it a futuristic yet cozy vibe. The sleeping area offers different options depending on the variant you choose. The standard model comes with a queen-size memory foam bed, complete with USB-C charging ports and reading lamps. The Premium Edition offers twin bunk beds for families or groups, each with personal lighting and extra under-bed storage compartments. One of the highlights is the panoramic bedroom window, giving you the chance to fall asleep while looking at the stars. This isn't just travel, it's a lifestyle upgrade. On the roof, Toyota has added a solar panel array to keep your batteries charged, making this motorhome more eco-friendly and independent. There's also a panoramic skylight that brings natural light into the cabin during the day. Plus, a retractable awning allows you to create an outdoor dining or relaxing space next to your motorhome. Together, these roof features make the Toyota Motorhome practical, sustainable, and perfect for long trips. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome comes with a twin-turbo V6 hybrid engine that produces around 400 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. Thanks to its hybrid system, fuel efficiency is improved by up to 25% compared to traditional RVs. So whether you're cruising smoothly on highways or pulling through mountain roads, this engine has you covered. And if you think this Toyota engine could be your perfect road trip companion, go ahead and share this video with your travel-loving friends. The Motorhome rides on 19-inch all-terrain tires with reinforced sidewalls and stylish metallic rims. The adaptive air suspension system automatically adjusts depending on whether you're on the highway or off-road, giving you a smooth, safe, and stable ride no matter where you are. Tech and safety are areas where Toyota has gone all out. The cockpit features an AI-powered digital dashboard that shows real-time traffic, navigation, and weather updates. The steering wheel also includes futuristic control buttons alongside Toyota's iconic emblem. Safety features include a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. This ensures not just a smart driving experience, but also a safe one for the whole family. And now for the most important part, the price. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome is expected to be priced between $120,000 and $150,000. It will be available in two main variants. The Standard Edition comes with the core luxury features and the standard hybrid engine. The Premium Edition adds full luxury upgrades like recliner seating, premium kitchen appliances, panoramic skylight, and a high-output hybrid engine. So whether you're looking for a solid entry into luxury RVs or the ultimate road trip machine, Toyota has both options ready. So that's our full review of the 2026 Toyota Motorhome. With its futuristic design, luxury-filled interior, powerful hybrid engine, modern tech, and a premium price point, it's clear Toyota is aiming high in the motorhome segment. Now, I want to know what you think. Would you buy this motorhome for your dream road trips? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this review, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us keep bringing you the latest reviews on futuristic cars and motorhomes. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and safe travels.